Good job.
Elliot, nice job.
Now shoot it again.
Yay, Elliot.
Shoot it again.
Yes. Hooray, Elliot.
Shoot it again. Shoot him up.
Yay, Elliot.
Good job. You want to shoot it again? And work on those free throws. Free throws win and lose championships. Oh.
Oh, good try, Elliot.
Okay. Ready? Yeah.
Nice job, Elliot.
You're so good. You're so good. You want to do it again? All right. Here we go. Yeah.
Nice job, Elliot.
You want to slam dunk
Yay.
it? Can you dunk it? Go dunk it. Oh, I'd you'd rather shoot.